Hello? Hello? It's Armadillo 731. What is it with these things? Hello? It's a new line. Hello? Hello?
Sounds fun. What's happening?
I have no idea. Yeah, if it's important, they'll send someone down like they did with you.
Suddenly, the world is full of theys.
Yeah. I remember when we first got here. We used to consider people from Dade County to be exotic. Now guys can get here from the Midwest, and they can do it in 6 days.
Things have changed.
They've gotten away from me. Hello? I don't understand it no more, boy. Honest to goodness.
I'm not sure I do.
Marshall! 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 I'd just been up in the canyon, spying like you said. I think I seen me a couple of them rustlers. I think it was the Ballard twins and a couple of Mexicans.
They up there right now?
Well, it was a group of 4 men rounding up Mr. Gulch's livestock, and none of them looked like any of Gulch's hands, so yes, sir, right now.
That sarcasm's most unbecoming, Eli. It's gonna hold you back in life, even worse than your lazy eye. All right, let's go. You ride with us again, Marston?
Will you help me?
I will try.
It'd be my pleasure.
Where is he?
How long you been working for the government, Marston?
I don't work for the government.
Well, I got a telegram from some federal clowns in Blackwater that says otherwise.
Are you some kind of vigilante?
You don't look like no government boy.
I guess it's complicated. I came because it was made impossible for me not to.
You sure are a tight-lipped son of a bitch, mister.
I guess I am. Ain't gonna dig this hole no deeper.
Ain't you all proud and superior? Don't forget you need us more than we need you. Bill Williamson folded you up like an empty purse the last time, if I remember correctly.
Simmer down, Jonah.
Listen to your boss, Jonah. There's a good boy. Otherwise, I'll put a hole in your hillbilly head and watch your tiny brain drain out.
I'll be honest with you, Marston. I ain't for all this government interference.
Believe me, Marshal, neither am I.
I try to keep the federal boys happy. I mean, we need all the help we can get. But what does a flannel-mouthed city boy who's never forked a bale of hay in his life know about a state like New Austin?
Nothing, I reckon.
All this manifest destiny hogwash, taming a wild land. Not for now. Eyes open, boys. Whoa there. All right, boys. Let's proceed on foot from here. Let's move up the canyon towards the fort. Be ready, boys. We're probably going to be outnumbered.
And those bastards ain't short on firepower, neither.
Let's see how many there are. If we can take them alive, good. If not, smoke the sons of bitches.
Music to my ears, Marshal.
Let's go, Marston. We gotta keep moving. Damn! Those bastards were waiting for us!
Keep dropping them like that, boy.
Nice shot!
Work for the government, boy.
Let's split up. You take the left, boys. I'll go right. Marston, you can go with the deputy or cover me. Hurry up! Stay with us!
We're done for. Oh, my good Lord!
For Christ's sake!
Move it out and stay together.
That was some pretty damn good shooting, John.
Maybe you ain't the kind of But I thought you was.
Coming from you, friend, that's a real compliment.
Hell no!
Follow me.
I can't take much more of this! Stay with me! There's a bridge up ahead. The rustlers are probably guarding.
Are you kidding? Stay with me.
Sorry, partner.
For the love of God!
Somebody take a tonight.
Oh my good God. Your wrestling days are over.
Something's happening. Quick! Give it your best shot.
Marston's swatting rustlers like flies!
I need to get out of here!
Oh, we got one.
I'm the goddamn law.
Hey, we got something. Just take one bullet.
This way.
Punch, just in case.
You ain't leaving Pikes Basin alive! Hey, was that you or me?
That bridge.
Don't think you'll be wanting this no more, friend.
Friend, you got a yellow streak a mile wide. Careful. They might
I'll
push
kill you
like a
twice,
deer.
you son of a bitch.
Scared like a
What are you
long-tailed
waiting for?
casserole
Do
full of
something.
rocking chairs.
More like that, Marston. Yeah.
Shot! We're clear, boys. Let's get over this bridge.
Damn, those Bollard twins got themselves an army.
Yeah, rustling's a profitable business, and they ain't short on willing recruits these days.
Why'd a man break his back working 12 hours a day for a rancher who can't afford to pay him?
But the rancher can't pay him because those sons of bitches are robbing his cattle.
Yep. It's one of them vicious circle things the marshal keeps jawing about. Look lively! They're all across the ridge!
Sweet mother of God! I plant you shallow without a reason, boy.
Keep moving, boys. The marshal's by himself. Don't just stand there.
Sorry about this, partner.
Woo! Keep dropping them like that, boy. We should cross paths with the marshal up here.
He's been giving them hell on the other side.
That marshal of yours sure doesn't seem to mind getting his hands dirty.
Oh, he ain't afraid to pull the trigger, all right.
And he's been after these rustlers for a long time.
He'll tell you he's all about the book, letting the judge decide a man's fate. But he doles out plenty of his own justice, too. But God damn it, how many of these bastards are there?
You sure put that feller to bed.
Ain't my first time, mister. You ready to die?
One for the government, boy.
Let's push on to the bridges. Let's go, Marston. Get a move on.
But we're done for. Come on, take some of that fire off the marshal.
I see something.
Stay with me.
I'm gonna beat the life.
All you gotta do is point it and pull the trigger.
What kept you boys? Come on, let's regroup.
Kidding. You rustlers make me sick. Your rustling days are over.
Over there.
You got anything interesting, friend?
I'll kill the hell out of you!
This looks as good a spot as any. Gather around and listen up. Let's try to sneak up on them. The closer we are, the less chance they have of making a run for it.
Try to keep them damn hostages alive.
Get those thieving bastards!
I've given you enough chances to walk away!
Good shooting, boy!
Come on, boy!
This way.
I can't take much more of this!
Come on!
Campo
Let's
Santo
get
for
these
you!
sons of bitches!
Got one!
What the hell? Follow me.
We've come for Mr. Gulch's cattle! Partner, I'm gonna head you down like What the hell? Brandon Irons down! Let's see what happens. Was that you or me?
Looks like the bollards won't be rustling again anytime soon. Quick, let's get those hostages free.
Thanks, Marshal. We're indebted to you with our lives.
Just get them cattle back safe.
All right.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Well done, Mr. Marston.
Yes, well done.
Now, about Williamson.
I'll do what I can. You know, as you can see, this country is infested with all manner of scum.
Say that again.
Well, one other thing, Marston. Mr. Johnson, sir. It's Mr. Wes Dickens. He's missing.
Who?
Mr. Wes Dickens, the tonics merchant. He was due in town last week.
Oh, the narcotic and bat piss salesman who cons housewives out of their money with promises of eternal youth.
Yes, him, but I think you're being a little unfair. He's helped a great many of the county, and many of the townsfolk are really missing him.
You hear that, Marston? We just butchered a gang of thieves, and the town is up in arms about a missing snake oil merchant. I am so glad to be serving such a wise and respectable people. Come on, Eli.